Kenya Methodist University has shut down some of its campuses and retrenched more than 150 employees. In its termination of employment letter to affected staff, the institution has attributed the decision to dynamics affecting the education sector in the entire Kenyan economy. Now, sources told NTV that branches closing down include Nakuru, Nyeri and Kisii. The administration is said to be attributing the closure to cost implications. Students from the affected branches are to be taken to the main campus in Meru and get free accommodation, our source adds. The Commission for University Education, CUE, had been inspecting satellite campuses to check on whether they met the Commission's requirements. The Vice-Chancellor, Professor Kiremi Keriamiti, in his signed letters, says KeMU is taking the measures as it is undertaking a restructuring process to enhance its effectiveness and competitiveness. The institution has also postponed its its graduation ceremony from July 22nd, 2017 to the 14th of October, 2017.